In front of me is Honor 600, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to tap on this section called Biometrics and Passwords. Now hit Face Recognition on the right and enter your current login method. Without it, you won't be able to set up face recognition, so make sure you have it on your Honor, enter it here, and then use this icon next to Enable right away to switch it off or turn it on. Finally, you can tap on Get Started at the bottom right corner. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions on your screen. When you finished, make sure this switcher next to Unlock is blue. Without it, you won't be able to unlock your device using face recognition. Then you can exit Settings and check it out. So when I switch off my screen, turn it back on and look at it, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!